This is why Wright Transport should take better care of their equipment. Because average Joes, when they see a truck having regen issues, they think the truck's on fire, and then the fire department gets called out. But it's all due to the lack of maintenance of Wright Transportation. Damn, out of Mobile, Alabama. Wright Transportation, y'all should take care of your equipment. That would save a whole lot of embarrassment. So now you got a driver eating a sandwich talking to the fire department, and he's probably wrote this truck up numerous times, and this is what happens. Luckily, these fire departments really cool about it. So yeah, folks, when a truck has regen issues, it smokes like crazy. It's not on fire. It's just that the company don't give a shit about the maintenance of the rigs. So, good job, Wright.